Check out this 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, tow hooks, automatic headlights, split bench seat, vinyl seats, pass-through rear seat and rear bench seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.